This is the first example I'll be doing on factorization by grouping. How do you know that you actually should be using this method? First, look at the question. 2ax minus 4ay plus 3bx minus 6by. You realize that there are no common factors across the four terms, and you realize you cannot use factorization by multiplication frame or by difference of two squares. So, you will need to proceed to group the terms in pairs. So what you can actually do is to group 2ax minus 4ay together. And I can also group plus 3bx minus 6by together. Why do I group it in this way is because the two terms in the pair have common factors. You can always group it in 2ax plus 3bx or minus 4ay minus 6by as well. Just that I chose to group it in this manner. So what happened is that as you proceed, 2ax minus 4ay, you need to factorize out the highest common factor, which is 2a in this case. After factorizing, you will get 2a bracket x minus 2y, close bracket. And for the other pair, 3b x minus 6by, you factorize out 3b as the highest common factor. And you will get the answer to be 3b bracket x minus 2y. If this is your final working after the first step, you will realize that it's incomplete. You realize that there is actually a missing sign in between these two pairs. And what is the sign? Plus or minus? It will actually follow the sign of 3bx, which is the first term in the pair. So it's actually a plus. So when you actually continue or look at this step, x minus 2y is actually a common factor. So at this step, you can further simplify by factorizing x minus 2y out. And you get the final answer to be bracket x minus 2y bracket 2a plus 3b.